Hey everybody, Jeremy from MarineMax, Nisswa and Cross Lake here, where we're taking a look at this beauty of a red MasterCraft NXT20 with the Pro Surf Kit. This is a beautiful all red boat with the black hull, as you're going to notice. I really like what they're doing with the black accents as well. Come on back here to the stern of the boat. We do have the MasterCraft renowned Surf Star system. This boat surfs like nothing else. Jam-packed 20-foot boat that is going to throw an amazing surf wave. One of the awesome new features for 2025 on the MasterCraft NXT lineup is this pass walkthrough. Now we can step on the stern of the boat over the engine without stepping on the cushions. Really, really nice feature. We're going to come down in here. You're going to notice that we do have partial cool seal vinyl in here. So these red swatches in here have the cool feel technology. I'm going to lift up these seats here. And we're going to notice we have the Surf Pro Kit package, which is really going to maximize our surf weight capacity, jam-packed in this little 20-foot boat that really throws an enormous wave for everybody behind the boat. Again, Surf Star, which is going to give you the most versatile surf system on the market. Everybody from a junior level to a pro level rider can ride behind this boat. Nice, spacious room in here. Of course, we got the swivel board racks. Nice clamping board racks that is always known to MasterCraft. And we really like this reverse seat, being able to watch the rider in the back and making it way more comfortable for the passengers. Of course, last year they came out with the newer style touchscreen dash on the right-hand side, really making this a technology-friendly boat for the driver. We have the heat in here, which makes it way more comfortable for everybody inside the boat on those cooler evenings. This is an awesome, awesome value for a 20-foot surf boat in the MasterCraft NXT lineup here from MarineMax, Nisswa, and Cross Lake.